Hi, it's Mickey Byrd, and this is Byrd at Home, where we give you science experiments and engineering projects that you can do with objects you have at home. For Retro Day here at Byrd Academy, we decided to go back in time and work with the innovation that predates smartphones. So today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own phone. What you'll need is some cups and some string. You also need something with a sharp point in order to poke a hole in the cups. Thumbtacks work pretty well. Or you can always use a sharp pencil. Be sure to check with your parents to make sure you're okay with using thumbtacks. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is take the cup and poke a hole in the bottom, in the center. There we go, that's that one. And let me do this one. Okay. Good deal. All right. So now I have two holes in the bottom of the cups. And after I have the holes, I'm just gonna thread the string through and then tie a knot on the other end. Get the string and I'll thread it through the hole. Like that. Now that I have it, I'll tie a knot in it. And what the knot's gonna do is keep the string from pulling back through the bottom of the cup. And if you need to, you can tie multiple knots, depending on how big your hole is. Okay, got my knot. Now, I'm gonna pull the string through, stay stuck. All right, now I'm gonna repeat this process for the other cup. So now we have our telephone, two cups, and then a string between. So now that we've built our phone, let me tell you a little bit about how it works. All right, so this is how it works. We have our two cups, and then they're connected by a string. So whenever I speak into one of the cups, it causes the base of the cup to vibrate, which causes the string to vibrate, which then causes the other cup to vibrate, creating sound that I can hear on the other side. And that's it. So now you know how it works. Let's test it. So whenever I speak into the cup, it causes the bottom of the cup to vibrate, which in turn causes the string to vibrate, allowing the sound to travel from this cup all the way to the other cup, allowing you to hear it on the other end. So you can hear it too. So whenever I speak into the cup, it causes the string to vibrate, and then allows the sound to travel to the other cup that you're in, allowing you to hear it as well. And that's how it works. So, your engineering challenge for today is to take some household items, whatever you can find, and turn them into a listening device, or something you can use to communicate with others. If you want to turn it into a science experiment, you just gotta change some of the variables. So, try something like using different kind of cups, or you can also change up your string. You can try using longer string, or using a thicker, thinner piece of string, or even a different material, and seeing how to fix your results. The important thing is to first write down your hypothesis before you make your test. So once you finish building your inventions and science experiments, be sure to talk with an adult at your home before posting them online. And that's all we have for today. So go build the future you desire.